Hi scholars, so last week you did an amazing job adding 10 to larger numbers. This week we're going to be introducing something called carrying or regrouping. So if you notice when we are adding using our tens and ones blocks this week, we have an extra little box at the top above our tens place. That's where we're going to put our extra 10 that we get from when we add our ones place first. Because remember, when we're adding our two-digit numbers like this, we start in the ones place all the way to the right. So we have 25 plus 15. So I'm going to extend this line so I don't get confused. So I'm going to start with my ones all the way to the right. And I have 5 plus 5. So what does 5 plus 5 equal? Right, it equals 10. But we're not going to just simply write the number 10 like that, because that wouldn't make sense. So when we have 5 and 5, that makes 10. Now we need to look at when we have a 10, this is only for our ones place side. So we have our 1 and 10. So what numbers in our ones? Our 0. So we're going to put that 0 for our one side, and then what number is in our tens place for our 10? Right, our 1. So that 1 is actually going to go here. So when we have 5 plus 5 equals 10, we put that 0 down first for our 10 and put that 1 up here for our 10. So now we're ready to add our tens place. So we have 2 plus 1, which equals what? 3, but we can't forget about our 10 up here. So 3 plus our 1 more 10 equals what? 4. So 25 plus 15 equals 40. All right, let's try another one. Over here now we have 16 plus 24. And again, we always start on the right side all the way to our ones. So we have 6 plus 4, and that equals, right, this equals 10. But we can't just write our whole number 10 here. We have to break it up for our ones place and our tens place. So for 6 plus 4, we put our what for our ones place? Right, the 0 comes here, but then where do we put the 1? Right, the 1 goes all the way up in our box above our tens, because that 1 is in the tens place. Now we have 1 plus 2 equals what? Right, 3, and then don't forget we have this other 10 up here. So our 3 plus our 1 more equals, right, our 4, and we have 40 again. 16 plus 24 equals 40. All right, let's try one more. You guys are doing a great job with this new thing. So we have 39 plus 41. So again, we start on our right side all the way over here. And I'm going to extend that line again so I can break up my tens and my ones. So we're starting with our ones. We have 9 plus 1, and that equals what? Right, this equals 10. But remember, we can't just put our whole 10 down here. Which part of our 10 goes here? Right, the 0, because that's our ones place. And then where do we put this 1 for our 10? Right, it goes all the way up into our box above our tens place. Now since we added our ones place, we jump over to our tens side. So we have 3 plus 4. Right, 7, but again we have that 1 more up top. So 7 plus our 1 more 10 is, right, 8. So our answer is 80. 39 plus 41 equals 80. So I know this is a little different than what we're used to. So when we're getting our adding, we're always starting on the right side to add our ones place first. And now that we're getting answers that have 2 digits or 2 numbers, we have to sort it. We put our ones place down here, which is our 0, and then our 1 in our tens place goes up top for our carrying. And then you move to your tens place, add it. Don't forget your 1 in the box to get your answer. So you're going to try some on your own at home. So at home, I want you to try to add 49 plus 21, 18 plus 52, 35 plus 35, and 77 plus 13. And again, don't forget this extra box above the tens so you can do your carrying. Can't wait to see your work.